It was a little complicated to put in, but it'd still be pretty easy.
There you go.
If a young kid were to get this, they'd probably have to get their parents to do it. Oh, wait. Oh, we were supposed to install this first. So this goes on first, so there's a left and a right. Okay, so left. Oh!
It's like the back of the head strap.
So you, like, slide it in on the side. And then you slide it in like that.
Oh, so it's, like, comfortable on the back of your head.
Yeah, so it's comfortable. It's like, yeah, that'd be pretty comfortable. So this side's pretty easy. This side kind of snapped in earlier pretty well. Yeah. There we go. And then
looks like it's gonna work out well.
Yeah. Let's snap that in. Do the top parts in. I think we push this in through here. And then I think you like put it through here. This like top part. So like this kind of comes out a little bit.
Makes it easier to put it in.
Yeah, so you could put it in so it's like sturdy. So if I can put it in correctly. There we go. Had to feed it in. Take that off. Okay, so
you'll have to adjust that, won't you?
It's like
based on, you know, the shape of your head, you might have to do it when it's on.
That goes here. And then, like, we could do that for, like, that, maybe. And adjust the angle according to usage. Okay, so then that, like, goes in.
So it looks like you might need to shorten up that top strap.
Just shorten that up, that's for sure. And then, like that.
Is that comfortable?
Oh, yeah. That actually feels really nice.
Can you see through that?
Yeah, it's fully colored now. Okay.
So is it pretty secure on your head?
Yeah, it feels pretty secure. If I like it, like I don't feel like it's gonna fly off my head.
How do you like it?
Oh, I like it. It feels pretty good. I feel pretty secure with it on. It doesn't feel like it's too loose. It feels like, I mean, feels nice. That's all I can really say about it.
Is it an improvement?
Yeah, definitely an improvement from the original. That's for sure.
All right, that's a wrap.